I have room for 446 birds comfortably, so I could put.
Can I fly one day with you?
Oh, absolutely, absolutely, brother. Come to the house. Listen, you're gonna know I love birds because my coop look better than my house. I had to look the same exact way as my house.
I see that.
I have the birds and we'll have champion bloodline.
Drinking Fiji water.
Best in the world champions.
Who owns Fiji water?
I don't know. You know who owns Fiji water?
Huh?
Fiji water.
No, I don't give a fuck who owns it. Listen, bro, I'm in Poland. That's what I do. That's us in Poland.
And they recognize you in a major way.
Those birds don't know me, but my birds do.
But they doing this because you on the roof doing this with them.
No, the guy's flagging them right now.